Good morning everybody and welcome to the beautiful setting here in the Czech Republic. What I want to do today is something I've been promising I've been going to do for the past 4 weeks. Is I want to do a review on this, the Stanley cook pot. It's a fantastic little pot. I absolutely swear by it. I bought it on Amazon for £20. Okay, so I just want to give you a few dimensions. Yes, this is not something I usually bring to the forest, but here we go. Okay, few dimensions. So it's 16 centimeters high, okay, and it's 10 centimeters across. Okay, 16 centimeters high, 10 centimeters across. The pot itself comes with a lid. There's the lid. Okay, and then inside it comes with two. I've just got one at the moment because I've been out all night. But it comes with a plastic, really tough, hard plastic cup. There's two of these. Yeah, and then there's the pot itself. So just pop that to one side. Right, the lid. The lid has a little handle on it so you don't burn your fingers taking it off. And it's got the steam holes on the side of there. Okay, so move that to one side. The pot itself, yeah, it's a little bit dirty because I have absolutely killed it. I have used it and used it and used it, and it never seems to falter. It's fantastic. Along the sides here, I don't know if you can see that, but it's actually got some measuring marks. Okay, 591 milliliters and 20, I believe that's ounces. I can't really see it because it's a little bit dirty because I've been using it. Okay, the handle is actually quite good. The handle locks into place, so I can lift it up, shake it around, okay, turn it upside down. It doesn't collapse on me when I'm pouring my water out, everything else, and it locks into place. And the way this works is it's got a little clip just here. You pull that back, press it together, and then that actually goes over and locks into place on the top. Now that's ideal because what it does is it locks the lid into place. Okay. So let me just open that up. So give it a press again. Just move this handle down. Give it another press again. Lock it down. Yeah. Stick my just balance it there a second. Stick my my cup inside. Yeah. One of the two cups it comes with. Stick my lid on the top. Just swivel the lid round so it's in line with the handle. Okay, and clip the lid down. Then take the handle, move it across, okay, and there it is, locked into place. Okay, so there you have it, guys, the Stanley cook pot. Yeah, I'll post some photos with this video of me actually using it as well. But it's a cracking little pot. I really suggest you get one. It's good. You know what? It's good for coffee for 2 people. It's good for meal for probably 1 person. Okay, but I use it a lot. Okay, so anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed the review. It's a cracking one. Take care now. Bye.